the upper 30s. Saturday through Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of... Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm located 11 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes.
One on red.